first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Reverse. So overall impression is very good. A lot better than F80 or G80 M3s. I mean, this is a Supra, but yeah, it's a lot better. It's almost as good as the Porsches, but then not as good. And my Porsche is a lot better, you know. I mean, it's very intuitive. I mean, Porsches are very intuitive. This is like almost intuitive. If you shift too fast, then maybe I think there could be a problem. But then, I mean, not like Porsches. Porsches, you know, you can do it whatever you want, and there's no problems. But then this one, a little problem I see. But then far better than any other, you know, stick shift that I ever driven before. So the older BMWs are very nice, like E39 M5, E46 M3, E36 M3s. So they feel just like that, you know. It's a little stiff. Sometimes, you know, I have a little fear, like if I shift too fast, then it's gonna like kind of maybe not go in or, you know, grind gears. But then overall, very good.